students, I am going to discuss a problem of circuit analysis of capacitor. The problem is a circuit connected as shown in the figure with switch S is open. Find amount of charge flows from Y to X when switch is closed. Here you have two capacitors of 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. They are connected in series, and the two resistors 3 ohm and 6 ohm. They are also in series. The circuit is connected across the 9 volts battery. Okay. So initially, when these two are in series, so the potential drop of 9 volt is across them, V1 is across them, and V2 across 6 microfarad. Then we can write V1 plus V2 is equal to 9, and on being in series, so charge on them is equal. So we can write C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2. Okay. Here 3 V1 is equal to 6 V2, or V1 is equal to 2 V2. Now simplifying this equation first and second, we have on solving above equations, we have V1 is equal to 6 volt and V2 is equal to 3 volt. Okay. So the initial charges on these capacitors are, this is on being 6 volt, it is plus 18, 3 to 6 and minus 18 in micro coulomb, and here it is plus 3 into 6 plus 18 microcoulomb and minus 18 microcoulomb. Okay. Now so the net charge at the junction X, so initially net charge on junction X, the two plates are connected. One has minus 18 microcoulomb, another has plus 18 microcoulomb. So net becomes Q initial charge is equal to plus minus 18 and plus 18. It will be 0. Okay. Now when the switch is closed, now this 3 microfarad in parallel with the 3 ohm and 6 microfarad in parallel with the 6 ohm. So the current flows through these resistors, because there is no current in this arm of capacitor, so only current in this. So here current is equal to, when switch is closed, current I is equal to 9 upon 3 plus 6. This is 1 ampere. Okay. So the potential drop across 3 ohm, that will equal to potential drop of 3 microfarad. That will be V1 dash is equal to IR, that is 1 into 3, so 3 volt. And across this is equal to the 6 ohm, and V2 dash is equal to 6 into 1 into 6, this will be 6 volt. Okay. Now the final charges on them, as the PD across this one is 3, so charge on this is equal to final charges on the capacitor. Capacitors are, this is Q1, this is equal to 3 into 3, the C into V, that is equal to 3, so it will be 9 microcoulomb, and Q2, that on this one, the potential is 6, so it will be 6 into 6, 36 microcoulomb. Okay. So the charges on their plates, we write here, this will be 9 and minus 9, and here 36 and minus 36. Okay. Now final charges on the junction X. Final charge on junction X. Here on this one is minus 18 and this one is it is minus 9, then 36. So it will be minus 9 plus 36, this will be 27 microcoulomb. Okay. So the charge flows from Y to X. There is only one way the charge flows from the Y to X is through the switch. So charge flows as the initial charge is 0 and final charge becomes 20 microcoulomb. So delta Q is equal to final charge minus initial charge. It will be 27 minus 0. So it will be 27 microcoulomb. Okay. So when switches close, the 27 microcoulomb will flow from Y to X through the switches. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.